Come learn psychology of Bhagavad Gita with me verse by verse. In the verses 31 to 35, we can see that Arjuna is not actually scared of hurting other people. He's actually scared of thinking that what if other people perceive him to be wrong. He's hurt about the fact that he has to hurt these people, but more than that, he is feeling that he doesn't want to become the villain in someone else's story. And I know that sounds relatable to you, because whenever you have to take a tough decision, you're always worried about what if this person goes behind my back and makes me the villain of the story. So psychologically, we can see that Arjun is having a full-blown reputation breakdown where he's fearing what will people say, what will people think, and we've all been there. So Krishna actually stops and asks him that, are you here in this life to be liked or to be aligned with your dharma and with your soul? In psychology, we call this radical emotional reparenting. When your inner child is saying that what if someone feels disappointed by me, your inner self, your actual true self makes you ask that what if it disappoints you? And in today's times, it's very clear that we live in times where we're all obsessed with the way that we are being perceived, how people view us, what people think about us, and that obsession always leads to us abandoning our own selves. And this is where Gita strikes the chord that in this life, you're not here to be admired, you are here to be authentic. Because at the end of the day, no matter how many praises you get, it's not going to protect your soul from the fact that you actually walked away from something that really mattered. So, when you choose your dharma, when you choose the duty, when you choose something that you have to do, people will almost always misunderstand it, but then it's on to you to realize your authentic self and act with that authenticity. And so, if you are ready to be the authentic version of yourself, follow me for more such videos.